What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel Inside Python, where we explore the unseen aspect of Python with you. So in this series or in this video, we're going to be talking about a very famous and prominent module for graphical programming in Python, which is Turtle. Now Turtle graphics, it is often referred to as Turtle graphics. So we're going to be discussing about that. Now before discussing anything, I want you to give a very short and simple example of what is the power of Turtle. So just wait a second, just let me run it. I created this. So python 3 main.py. So as you can see, this is a Turtle program. So I can do freehand drawing here. I'm pressing W to change the color. I'm pressing W to again change the color. Now these are random colors. I have programmed it like that. Now if I want to clear, I will press the right click. It is all cleared. So it is like a mini P. Now after watching this whole series, you can create this kind of softwares with you. Softwares or programs with yourself. You can also package it with like CX Freeze or something like that. But you will learn how to do this, not in my series, but you will eventually learn all these things, because what I'm going to teach you will eventually lead you to this program. So now moving on, let's start with some very basics of this. Now before moving on, I want you all to follow us on our Instagram page as Inside Python, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of such content. So now I'm here on my directory and I created a file as turtle1.py. So I had opened it with Sublime Text. So just let us run it. So first of all, what's the first thing that you want to do is you want to import the Turtle module. Now Turtle is a built-in module, so you don't need to actually install it. If you want a better version, then do a pip install. Okay, so import Turtle. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be creating a Turtle object. So it is like this: turtle, turtle. Now turtle with a key. Now the one which is with the T capital is the class. It is the turtle class and it is the turtle object. Now there are various parameters that you can set to the turtle object. Now the first is tut dot. Now the tut is a turtle object, so parameters will be set to this turtle. You can have more than one turtle in a program depending upon you. Now the first thing you can set is a color. So I will be setting it to a green. The next thing you can set is the width. The width of the line which our turtle will trail. Okay, so let me give it a 3. Now the next thing that you can do is the turtle speed. Now let me give it a speed of 0. Zero speed doesn't mean that it has stopped. You will see, you implement this speed with many other parameters, you will eventually learn what is the real function of speed. Okay, now there are several more parameters to this turtle than this alone. Now there is one more parameter called shape. Now what is the shape parameter? I will be setting it to turtle. Now there are many shapes which you can set in this. There are classic arrows, circles, depending upon you. I will link the turtle documentation in the description, so you can check out there what are the shapes. Okay, so now let's try to run this code. Okay, let me save it. I will be running it for the command line python turtle1.py. So as you can see, our screen just got out after running the program. Now how to fix that? So type here turtle dot listen. Okay, turtle dot listen, and then tut dot, or say turtle dot main loop. Okay, now save it. Now again try to run it, python 3 turtle1.py. So now the screen is staying. Okay, so this is the shape. Okay, if you set it to arrow, it will be arrow. If you set it to circle, it will be circle. So this is our first turtle, which is in color green. So let me close this and minimize this. Now I'm going to be showing you how to move that turtle. Now the first function to move that turtle is a forward function. Okay, so forward, which takes an argument in pixels. So this code line says that move the turtle forward to 100 pixels. So if I run this, just wait, python 3 turtle1.py. If I run this, so the turtle got moved to this. Now if I can even slow the speed down, so let me give it 100, and then just close it here. Where is that turtle? Here. It got closed automatically. Now say Python 3 turtle1.py. So as you can see, the speed got even faster. Now to control that speed, you need to refer to that documentation for more on these details. So now this is our turtle. It moved 100 pixels forward. Now what? Now note the default direction. The default direction my system is right. The turtle automatically moves to the right. Now I have not specified any kind of direction or angle or something. Now the next thing you can do is a backward. Okay, so let me just comment out this forward for a while, and then the next thing to move, you can use the backward function. This is also exactly opposite of the forward function, which takes as a pixels as an argument. So let me close this. Now again run this Python 3 turtle1.py. So as you can see, it got backward. Okay, but the direction didn't change. You see the turtle's this face is pointing towards right. Okay, so just close it. Now I'm going to be showing you how to change the directions and all. So just comment it. Now there is a function called right to move the turtle in right direction. So I will be setting it to a 90 degree. Now it is interesting to know that right doesn't move our turtle to any kind of pixels. Right takes an angle as an argument. So I have given 90 degree. It will turn our turtle to 90 degrees, but we have to add a forward statement after that to move our turtle. So keep in mind this. So just I will clear this, and I will also uncomment it, then this. So let's see what this code line does. Python 3 turtle1.py. So as you can see, it got then it turned right. Okay, interesting, is it? So now I'm going to be doing some other things. So just turn it to a left this time. Okay, so we'll turn it to a left to a 90 degree, then we will move 100 degree forward, and then we will turn right to 90 degrees, and then we will move 100 pixels forward. Turtle.forward to 100 pixels. Okay, so we did that. Now try to run it again. Python 3 turtle1.py. So as you can see, it got from this as a starting point, this got this, making a zigzag or step like structure. Our turtle is right down. Now there is also a function called pen up and pen down. So let's just use it. Now I will show you what it actually does. So type here turtle.pen up, and then or just wait for a while. Just cut it from here and put it over the forward step, and then write a turtle dot pen down. Okay, so now if I run this code, just let me just close this one. Python 3 turtle1.py. So as you can see, this line got blank. Okay, so this line got actually blank. Now it is not showing anything because we lifted the pen up. So it is like literally drawing. When you draw, you pick the pen up, then you pick the pen down to draw. So I picked up the pen, and then I moved that pen forward 200 pixels in the air. Then I put the pen down, and then we did our normal programming, we did code. Okay, so it's like this. Now there is also some functions to actually hide this turtle. Now what are that function? I will tell you in the next lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to be talking about some shapes and fill, how to draw shapes with Python turtle, and how to fill those shapes with colors, and etc. Also, if you like to make a bot, we have a series on that right popping up on your screen. Do watch those videos, and also subscribe to our channel right now, because the next video that's about to come next will completely blow your hats off. Thanks for watching our video.